Chantel, the magical tour guide, back with another hotel review here in Anaheim. I am staying at the Tropicana for the first time. I've done hotel tours here. I've been here, I've seen the property, but I've never actually stayed here. I'm so excited because you guys look how close we are to Disneyland. You see that right there? That is the traffic light you walk across, and that is the entrance into Disneyland. I'm going to show you what it looks like to come stay at the Tropicana. I'm going to give you a room tour. I'm going to do a complete hotel review while I'm here for a couple of nights. We're going to get started with the room, of course, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like, how close we are to Disneyland, why this is such a sought-after hotel, because it is so close, how you can rope drop, how at the end of the night you're just steps away from your bed. So let's go get started with a room tour. Checking in at the Tropicana. We are in a 2-queen standard room. They also have king rooms here. So this is their standard room, and we're going to check out what offerings, what they have here. I'm noticing right here there's a little like sofa, and I bet that pulls out to like a twin bed. So I'll show you that in just a minute, but I like the color scheme. So it's very tropical, and I love the colors. So anyway, we have 2 queen beds here and a little chair, I think turns into a sofa sleeper. I'll show you. Then over here, we've got somewhere you can put luggage, and then somewhere you can sit over there. We've got a TV, and we have our coffee maker and a safe, some drawers here in the dresser, and then in here, this is probably our mini fridge. Yes, mini fridge. And let me show you the mini fridge. So there's a mini fridge. And then you've got a microwave. And over here, somewhere to sit and a mirror to get ready. And then this is the bathroom over here. So the bathrooms, you've got a closet here in the bathroom area. Right there's a iron and ironing board. That's probably bedding for that single bed over there, the sofa. You've got a sink here, and then let's turn on the lights in here in the tub shower area, and I will talk about the shower and the pressure and the temperature of the water and all those things after I've stayed here. And then your toilet is in here, and then here's a look at the room from this direction. And there is carpet here and tile here. Let's check out plugs over here. I always like to show you guys the plugs, especially like by the nightstand. They've got a bunch of plugs right there. And then just cute headboards, cute paint. And then I actually have a room that overlooks, and there's a little table right here. I have a room that looks out onto the pool. We'll go out and show you that later. And then maybe we have fireworks views. I'm already noticing more plugs up here. And then let's take a look at this sofa, probably sleeper I'm gonna call it. Probably unfold. Oh, that comes off. Okay, so both of those come off. And then, oh, you just pull out and it just okay, all right, so there's your bed, and then there's bedding in there, and you pillow. So this is probably like a twin size mattress. So you've got your pillows, cushions, and then this folds back up. So that's nice. So during the day you can fold it back up, and then at night you do have a 5th person that could sleep in here. Then it folds back up, and it's a nice place to sit during the day. So 2 queen bed, sleeps 5, so 2, 4, 5. Your bathroom, tub shower. This is a standard room here at the Tropicana. They also have king rooms, and the Tropicana is another one of these hotels. I've done several of them along harbor here. If you haven't watched my video, I have a video you can watch right here of the 7 hotels along harbor. That's maybe where you saw this originally, and I did a hotel tour. But what I like to do is I like to actually come and stay in the rooms. Yes, a hotel tour is great, and you can see, you know, like what the room looks like, but actually staying in it, I'll tell you about the beds and everything that's, you know, my stay here. I personally prefer to come and stay and do a full video and review of that. So this is a hotel along harbor. One of the perks of staying here is definitely the proximity to Disneyland. You are very close to Disneyland. Right on the other side of us is McDonald's, if you're familiar with where McDonald's is. The crosswalk is not even a 5-minute walk. I'm going to show you that as I'm staying here. This hotel has a swimming pool and let's see, they do not have a fitness center. They do not have breakfast. Parking is an additional cost. I think it's like 26 something a day. But the proximity to the parks is what you're paying for when you come and stay here, and it is very sought after. It is hard to get rooms here at this hotel. But what I like about this hotel is that it is priced, and I have a discount, always have a discount. Check the link in the description. When you book through my travel partner Getaway today and mention Magical Tour Guide, you unlock even more savings. So when you go to book this hotel, if it says rooms not available, call 855 Getaway, because when you call them, they can see additional rooms. These hotels here along Harbor are so very popular and they book out quickly. So like if you're looking to come and stay and you're like, oh, I want to come stay next month, probably not happening, because like I said, a lot of people want to stay at these hotels and so they book up quickly. So take advantage of watching this and deciding, okay, you know what, I do want to stay at the Tropicana. Call my travel partners if you cannot find, you know, availability on the dates that you're looking for. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you around. We're going to go back to the lobby so I can show you. I had a really great check-in experience. And when you stay here at the Tropicana, it's so close, but also you're near other things. So when I mentioned that, you know, there's no breakfast that's included, well, that's okay, because you're right by McDonald's. There's actually a little Cove Mart, which is kind of a little convenience store right next door as well. They've got Panera Bread. And being so close to the parks, you can rope drop and then go get some breakfast at Disneyland. So it's a win-win. From my room, I'm going to give you kind of a brief overview of the hotel. I am on the 3rd floor, and I want to show you kind of what the hotel looks like and what you can see from the hotel, how close we are to Disneyland. Over there behind that palm tree, can you see the spires of Space Mountain? All right, so the rooms on that side of the hotel, there's 2 floors, and I am over here on this side that has 3 floors. They've got a swimming pool. We'll go check the swimming pool area out. They have plenty of parking. The parking, like I mentioned in the video earlier, is 26 something a night. And then we're up here on the 3rd floor, so let's go check out the rest of the hotel. I've mentioned in other videos they do have an elevator at this hotel. Some of the older hotels do not have an elevator, but they do have an elevator here, so we're going to go use the elevator. And over there, that is where the lobby is, where you check in. On each level, they do have an ice machine for you. On the 1st floor, they have the ice machine, but then they also have a vending machine with sodas. All right, we're gonna go see, we're gonna check out the pool, and I'm gonna show you whatever other things they have here at the Tropicana. There's actually some people in the pool area right now, and I don't like to film when there's people. I like to give them their privacy. So I will come back to the pool at some point and show you what the pool looks like, but it is in the center of the property. Walk back this way towards the lobby and show you they do have some laundry facilities here. They do not have a fitness center. They do not have like their own gift shop. They do have something I'll show you. It's across the way from the lobby where you can get snacks and toiletries and things of that sort, and it's very convenient, so it doesn't need to like necessarily be owned by the Tropicana, but it is super close. When I checked in, they said that these rooms up here, they do have a couple of suites, so if you wanted to check out pricing for those, you could. I don't have a room tour of those, but they are available here. They don't have very many of them. Over there is the lobby, and across the way from the lobby there is another elevator, and this is also where the laundry facility is. I'll show you that in a minute. But I wanted to come in here and show you the Cove on Harbor, which is a marketplace. It's right across from the lobby. So there's the lobby. So if you need stuff while you're here staying, you can come and get stuff in here. It's like a little mini mart. They've got food and snacks and grab and go items. Looks like they've got some souvenirs as well. And again, this is just right next door. Oh, they have like toiletries in case you forgot some things over here. I bet they have, oh, and they have laundry and detergent here, so if you do need to use the laundry room, sunglasses, bunch of souvenirs. yeah, that's the Cove. There's the lobby over there. So the Cove is just right here next to the Cove on Harbor. It looks like it's open 7 a.m. until midnight, which is nice. All right, then back over here, I'm gonna show you where the laundry room is. And it looks like, I don't think they sell laundry, detergent and stuff inside of the laundry room. So you're gonna have to buy it here at the Cove or bring your own. Keep that in mind if you do need to do or want to do laundry while you're here, just get it next door. Looks like they've got 2 washing machines and 2 dryers, and like a little counter, so you can do laundry while you're here at the Tropicana. Just came out of my room to head over to Disneyland, and there's nobody at the pool, so I'm gonna go down, but this is a great overview of the pool. This is a nice sized pool area. Want to show over here, there are towels, so you don't need to bring towels from your room. They've got some tables and chairs all around. They have a nice sized jacuzzi right here. More chairs. And then it looks like the pool goes from 3.5 feet to 8.5 feet. And I'm gonna assume it's heated and like available year round. I don't think I've ever come across one of the pools here at the Disneyland area that doesn't have a pool that's heated and available year round. And actually in this winter time when it's cold, it's actually nice to swim because this doesn't ever get like really cold here in California. So swimming pool here at the Tropicana is nice, available. It's a good idea to do like, you know, in the middle of the day when it gets hot, come take a swim break, or even at the end of the night after you're like tired and you've been on your feet all day long, come hop in the jacuzzi, put your feet in the pool. Anyway, it's nice that they have a pool here. I will not be taking a dip in the pool, but I do want to show you just how close we are to Disneyland. I'm actually going to count the steps because I can tell you it's like right here. I'm going to turn the camera around, I'm going to show you just how close we are, but it is literally steps to the crosswalk and then across to the crosswalk and over to security, and we are at Disneyland. Tropicana, here we are on Harbor, and just across the way there's the Matterhorn. I told you we were right across the street from Disneyland. Here is the lobby at the Tropicana, and I'm going to start counting my steps. I'm not going to walk and talk and count at the same time. I'll let you know when I get right there to the crosswalk. 98, 99, 100, 101, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114 to the crosswalk. Made it across the crosswalk, and here we are at the Disneyland entrance sign. Just came from right over there. There's the Tropicana. I walked right up here to the crosswalk, came across, and now we're gonna go into security and head into Disneyland. Maybe 2 minutes later, through security. Now headed to the Esplanade where we're gonna go to Disneyland. I am standing in the Esplanade, which is the portion between Disney California Adventure right there and Disneyland right there. So we're gonna go into Disneyland, and that was such a quick walk. I love being so very close, right across from Disneyland. It's convenient, it's nice. The walk was super short. So I'm gonna go do Fantasmic Dining and watch for that video. And then tomorrow morning, I'm going to show you how fast it is to get here in the morning for rope drop. I watched Fantasmic, I got to watch the fireworks, and now I'm headed back to the Tropicana. And I don't have a very long walk, and I'm super grateful because I'm tired. I'm ready for my bed. My feet hurt, so let's get back to the Tropicana and get to bed. And then tomorrow we'll do it all over again. Good morning. Just left my room here at Tropicana. I am actually headed just to the other side of the hotel. I think like 2 hotels down to McDonald's for breakfast, because breakfast is not included. There's not an option. I'm going to show you a few things that I would suggest if you're coming to stay here and you're looking for breakfast options. I'm just going to head down the street to McDonald's. They've got breakfast there. You could also grab lunch or dinner or whatever, but they're super close to McDonald's. Here we are, Tropicana. I'm just going to show you right down there. There is McDonald's where I'm headed for breakfast. It's literally on the other side of this hotel, which is next door is the Camelot. I will be staying at the Camelot as well and doing a full review of that hotel. And right next to Camelot is McDonald's. I'm going to place my order for McDonald's. Let's see, they've got breakfast sandwiches. They've got all sorts of things. You're probably very familiar with McDonald's. Very close, convenient when you're staying at the Tropicana. Sausage McGriddle. And I am ready ready for breakfast, and then I'm gonna hit the parks. Even though I'm from Arizona, I don't love to be in the heat if I don't have to be. And it's warmed up in the parks and I'm ready for a little break. So I'm gonna head back to my room at the Tropicana because it's just steps away and I can do that. I'm not very far, so I can quickly head back to my room. I can rest in the nice air-conditioned room. The room is very cold, it's really nice. And then I'll come back this evening when it's not so hot. All right, and I made the crosswalk, let's go. Tropicana is just right over there. Thought I would show you what it looks like to see fireworks outside of my room here at the Tropicana. Came back inside of my room and these are my views, and this isn't like a special fireworks views room. I just happen to be on the 3rd floor. So if you're coming to stay at the Tropicana, ask for the 3rd floor so you can see the fireworks. Morning, it is 6:46. I'm staying right here at the Tropicana, which is right across the street from the Disneyland security sign, from the sign where you can come in on Harbor. And when I'm staying at a hotel right here, super close, it's very easy to do one of these attractions that requires early rope drop. The reason I like to be staying along here when I'm trying to rope drop either Radiator Springs Racers or like Rise of the Resistance or Peter Pan is because you have to be at the very front of that rope. You have to be right at the rope, touching the rope if you want to wait minimal time. Otherwise, you're looking at a really long wait. I'll show you just how close I am to the gate so you can see why it makes such a difference to get here. I'm right here at the gate. There's one family ahead of me. I enjoyed a really good rope drop. Was able to rope drop Radiator Springs Racers. I was in the car at 8:02 this morning. And that's because I'm staying so very close across the street at the Tropicana. So I'm headed back to actually check out the Tropicana. When I get over there, I'm going to tell you just a little bit more. I've really enjoyed my stay here at the Tropicana. It's been so nice to be across the street from Disneyland, to come back in the afternoon for breaks, also to leave in the morning for rope drop. I was like so early this morning for rope drop because I only had a few steps to take to get to security, which was so very nice. The beds were fine. Probably not the best beds I've stayed in, but they were okay. And the shower was great. The pressure was great. The hot water was great. So really appreciated that. I found some extra lights in the room, which I liked. The lighting in the bathroom around the mirror was helpful for getting ready. This morning for breakfast, because I don't have breakfast here, I had a protein drink with me, so you can bring stuff for breakfast. And the other morning, I showed you already that I went to McDonald's, so McDonald's is super close. Anyway, I've really enjoyed my stay here at the Tropicana. It's been great. Thank you for having me. I appreciate it. If you are looking to stay anywhere along Harbor here, or if you're looking to stay specifically here at the Tropicana, make sure you check out the link in the description because I will have a discount link for you through my travel partners Getaway Today. They will always save you money. Or you can call 855-GETAWAY, mention Magical Tour Guide, and they will hook you up with a great deal. Thanks for watching this video. If you would like other hotel content or other reviews, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. And I have a whole playlist of all of my hotel reviews here at Disneyland. All right, well, thanks for watching this one. Until the next time, have a magical day.